To check your account balance on eToro, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform and find your balance quickly. Step 1. Log into your eToro account. Before changing your settings, use the eToro.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the portfolio section. Once you're logged in, look for the portfolio tab on the main dashboard. Click on it to view your investments and account details. Step 3. Locate your account balance. In the portfolio section, you will see an overview of your investments. Your account balance is typically displayed at the top or in a designated area, showing the total available funds. Step 4. Review your balance details. Click on your account balance to see a breakdown of your funds. This may include your equity, available balance, and any open positions that may affect your total balance. Step 5. Log out securely. After checking your balance, make sure to log out of your account, especially if you are using a public or shared device. Look for the logout option, usually found in the account settings or profile menu. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance on eToro. Regularly monitoring your balance helps you stay informed about your investments and financial status.